Hey y'all, come on in for some deep thoughts on water. Water is so important for us to drink. We should be drinking about 1 gallon a day. Some sources say half your body weight in water. One way or the other, we need to be drinking water and not all the sodas and Cokes and Gatorades and all the things that have these added sugars and chemicals. How are we gonna drink more water? I'll give you my spiel that I give all my patients. Do you need to drink it out of a plastic bottle? Do you need to drink it out of a Yeti cup? Do you need to drink it out of a Stanley? Do you like a straw? No straw. Do you like flavoring? Do you like frozen berries, cucumber, a packet of electrolytes? Whatever it takes to make you halfway enjoy drinking water. If you don't at this point, try to drink your bottle or whatever it is first before you drink your other drink of choice, so you can crowd out the unhealthy things that don't bring life to your body with the healthy things that bring life to your body. Let me know how you like to drink water. I guess I like mine with ice, probably. Even in the winter, I'm an ice with water girl, maybe because I grew up in the South. What do you like?